Hello over there and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about Instagram Reels. Uh, how to make your Reels go viral on Instagram. It has been said that Instagram Reels give you a great amount of visibility, and that Instagram is intentionally promoting page with Reels or page that do Reels in 2022. If you are passionate about growing your page, if you are passionate about growing your Instagram account, then you want to know how to make your reel big enough to be in the viral ones. Okay, before we go forward, please, you can check up this message on our Instagram page at Goldmediahq, on Facebook too as Goldmediahq. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, follow us and subscribe to this channel for more updates. If you have any question pertaining to Instagram, social media management and social media marketing, you can hit us up on Instagram at GoodMediaHQ, or you can send us a direct message on Facebook at GoodMediaHQ. Okay, now let's dive into it. How do you make your reels go viral on Instagram? Number one, use a custom reel cover with a hook. Don't just post a video of you dancing or a video of your business or educational videos as your reels. Reels shows up in feed, and to make someone who see it on feed to take notice of it, you need to take into account your real cover. Your real cover is like a thumbnail that is covering your video or your reel. The real cover is the first thing they see in your reel, and surprising enough, the image of the real cover does not even need to be in your reel. So the next time you are posting a reel, do make sure that your reel has a beautiful cover and that the cover has an hook that is good enough to grab an attention or to call attention of any passerby. Okay, talking about attention, uh if you want to make your reel go viral, then you have to use an attention grabbing hook. That's our second point. Use an attention grabbing hook. If you want to make sure that people want watch your reels, if you want to make sure that people get inclined to your reels, they check it up, irrespective of how they come across it. Uh, Make sure you have something to hook them down, something to tell them to watch it in the very first few seconds. It could be something like, "Did you know about what will you do?" It could be a phrase like, "The last part will amaze you." That will get them to watch it to the end. And surprising enough, these hooks can even get them to watch it over and over again. Okay. The third point here is to use your text appropriately, irrespective of what you are saying and your accent. Not everybody is going to hear you, and not everybody will even put their real sound on. So the next time you are making a reel, make sure you had a text. And if you hear me well, I said you should use your text appropriately. Using a text is different from using it appropriately. To use a text on reels appropriately means the text is filled in a way whereby people who are watching your reel on Instagram feed, Instagram feed will suggest your reel to them at Instagram portrait size or Instagram uh picture size. That's 1024 by 1024. That means we have to centralize your text between the middle of your view so that anybody that is watching it in the field will be able to get what you are saying. They will be able to get the message you are passing across. Okay. The fourth point here is to use one of the trending audios. In fact, this is one of the most important. You see, just like TikTok, when a audio is going viral, in Reels, Instagram will promote all the videos with this audio because of what they think people like to hear this audio. So therefore, if there's anything your reel should miss, it should not miss an audio. And if you are showcasing picture or your product or whatever in your reel, then you have to just use one of the best audio, one of the trending audios. It gives you more visibility. To get the trending audios, you can go search for it on TikTok, and you can search for it on Instagram Reels yourself. Okay. Another thing that could make your reel go viral, that will certainly make your reel have a lot of reach, is to use viral elements. The usage of viral element and music is almost the same thing. I mean the audio. Viral element will allow Instagram to put you on the viral video list and give you a chance to reach more people at once. Okay. Another thing you should not do if you want your reel to go viral is that there should not be any TikTok watermark on your reels. Please make sure your reels uh did not have any TikTok watermark, because since Instagram Reels was launched to encourage Instagram users to choose Instagram over TikTok for video posts, Instagram auto algorithm is able to dictate TikTok's watermark, and to give your video a chance of positioning well, it is necessary to remove the watermark. You can check on watermark remover, a lot of them, and remove the TikTok watermark on your video before you post it as a reel. Another point here is to use hashtag to promote your content. Actually, hashtag are a key element to any kind of post on Instagram. And this is because they help Instagram's auto algorithm understand what type of content is in your video, then show it to the user who may be interested. Your Instagram must be chosen very carefully. The most popular ones are not always the best, since they have more competition. And if you are posting a reel, please remember to have something like reels hashtag in it. There are hashtags that are actually created for reels, since reels have been launched, and there are a lot of them, as you can see it on the video. Just make sure you add about 2 to 3 of them. Okay. Another point is to use reels size. I mean reels video size. The optimal video size for a reel is 1080 by 1920 pixels. It allows the viewers to see a video at the maximum resolution, with an aspect ratio of 9 to 16. This means your video must be recorded vertically and not horizontally, and to have a good resolution. A good resolution, it gives the viewer a don't go I don't know, a don't go, a watch me again impression, and this tend to increase your your chance. Okay, this point uh is very important. Okay, apart from all this, I still have one more point, and this is probably the most important. Most people did not know that if you share your reviews now, if you share it, you can allow it to be posted on Facebook, and you can also share it to your feed and your stories at the same times. Okay, if you post any reel, please do take time to share it to your story, or and your feed, rather your Instagram feed and your story at the same time, at the right time. Sharing your reel to your stories, everybody that view it on your stories, increase the number of view you have on the uh reel itself. So if you post a reel, you have 1,000 views from Instagram feed and Explore and every other one. Then and your story generate about 500 views. That means if you have a total of 1,500 views, that might increase your chance of gaining more visibility, of gaining more of the reel going more viral, because now you have a whole lot of views on the reel. So next time you are posting a reel, please make sure you remember to share it to your story and allow it to be shared to feed too. Okay, this is where we are going to be stopping for today. And in the end of this video, I'm going to show you the list of our new members. You see the list of our new subscribers at the end of this video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. You can also contact us for social media marketing tips and tips on how to help you grow your Instagram page on Instagram. Check us at Gold Media HQ on Instagram. We love you and stay. Bye.